It has been 41 years since a deadly and infamous blizzard pummeled New England with feet of snow. The blizzard is still remembered today as the week the state stood still. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon takes a look back at the terrifying storm.
The blizzard of 1978 is still a vivid memory for many Massachusetts residents.
We were pretty much housebound at the time. We had a new baby.
41 years ago, Springfield was buried under nearly 21 inches of snow, but that was still on the low end compared to some of the snowfall amounts in the eastern portion of the state. Areas east of Worcester stretching toward Boston were inundated under 24 to 36 inches of heavy wet snow. Strong winds caused whiteout conditions, making travel near impossible. Cars were stuck on Route 128, transforming the highway into a parking lot. Over 3,000 vehicles were caught in the snow there, making plowing difficult. As a result of the blizzard, 73 people died in the Commonwealth, and damages were estimated at $500 million.
And finally, we dug our way out, and me and my next-door neighbor drove around the neighborhood, asking people if they needed anything. And we went to the market again and stocked up whatever we could find.
Now, it's likely if a storm of that magnitude were to hit today, the impacts would be much different.
A lot has changed since 1978, including major improvements in the accuracy of forecasting, communication technology, and plowing and road treatment equipment.
Part of the reason snowfall amounts were so high is because the storm system stalled over New England, and the ocean was also unusually warm, fueling the blizzard with moisture. I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon.